Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, there lived a kind-hearted dove named Daisy. Daisy loved to help other animals and always looked out for those in need. One hot summer day, she was resting on a tree branch near a river, enjoying the cool breeze. As Daisy gazed down at the river, she noticed a small ant struggling in the water. The ant, named Andy, had fallen in while trying to drink from the river and was now being swept away by the strong current. Andy was desperately trying to stay afloat, but it was clear that he wouldn't last much longer. Without a moment's hesitation, Daisy flew down to the river and picked up a large leaf in her beak. She carefully dropped the leaf into the water near Andy. The ant quickly climbed onto the leaf and held on tightly as it floated to the riverbank, saving his life. Andy was extremely grateful to Daisy. "Thank you so much, Daisy," he said. "You saved my life. I will never forget your kindness." Daisy smiled and replied, "You are welcome, Andy. Always remember to help others in need." A few days later, Andy was foraging for food near the river when he saw a hunter approaching with a bow and arrow. The hunter was quietly moving towards the tree where Daisy often rested. Andy realized that the hunter was planning to shoot Daisy. Remembering Daisy's kindness, Andy knew he had to act quickly. He crawled up to the hunter's foot and bit him hard. The hunter yelped in pain and dropped his bow. The sudden noise startled Daisy, and she flew away just in time, avoiding the hunter's arrow. When Daisy realized what had happened, she flew back to Andy. "You saved my life, Andy," she said. "Thank you for your bravery." Andy replied, "I was only repaying your kindness, Daisy. We should always look out for each other." From that day on, Daisy and Andy became the best of friends. They often reminded the other animals in the forest about the importance of helping and protecting one another. Peaceful, free from disturbance, tranquil. Kind-hearted, having a kind and sympathetic nature. Gazed, looked steadily and intently, especially in admiration, surprise, or thought. Struggling, striving to achieve or attain something in the face of difficulty or resistance. Current, a body of water or air moving in a definite direction. Hesitation, the action of pausing before saying or doing something. Beak, the hard, pointed part of a bird's mouth. Riverbank, the ground at the edge of a river. Grateful, feeling or showing an appreciation of kindness, thankful. Kindness, the quality of being friendly, generous, and considerate. Foraging, searching widely for food or provisions. Approaching, coming nearer in distance or time. Hunter, a person who hunts game or other wild animals for food or sport. Arrow, a thin, straight, pointed weapon. Quietly, making little or no noise. Bravery, courageous behavior or character. Reminded, caused someone to remember something. Importance, the state or fact of being of great significance or value. Protecting, keeping safe from harm or injury. Deed, an action that is performed intentionally or consciously.